Hello everyone, I just want to say I'm sorry I couldn't make a video for the people that are watching me. So today I'm going to make a video on the HP Envy x360. This one here. It's a 15-inch screen. Let me just tell you the specs first. It has 16 gigs of RAM, and then it has an AMD Ryzen 5 25,000U processor. If you don't know what the processor is like a AMD processor, it's like a i5 and an i7 8th generation, because this one has 4 cores, and those ones that are 8th generation has 4 cores as well. So it has a nice processor with 8 gigs of RAM. It has 1 terabyte of storage, 1 terabyte. It's a little bit of HDD and a little bit of SSD, and it's made out of metal. It's a little heavy. On here you have a HDMI, you have a USB, then you have your power, and then you have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the other side you have a Thunderbolt 3 with SD card, and then you have a USB, and then you have your charger and the volume rocks. You touch the screen because it's touch screen, and the keyboards are very nice as well. And the trackpad is very nice as well. You can see it. You can turn it into a tablet, but I don't really do that. This is how it looks like. These keys become annoying, and the speakers, they sound okay. They have the Bang & Olufsen software in it, but you have to install it, otherwise it won't run the Bang & Olufsen software. The fans, they're very they make noise sometimes, so I slow down the processor sometimes so it doesn't make so much noise. Otherwise it's a nice computer, facial recognition on it, yeah. I don't really know so much about this computer. I'm just making like an impressions and like a specs review. I still need to make a review on this computer, hopefully. It has a number pad on the side. I'm not a fan of the number pad because then they push this trackpad onto the side, which is annoying. I get used to the touchscreen. It's a little useful, but I use it as a normal computer. I don't even use it as a tablet, so yeah. And I just want to say, sorry again, I couldn't make a video. I didn't have anything to edit my videos, so I got this, and I also got Premiere Pro for free. So give this video a like, please, and then I'll make a video on how to get Premiere Pro for free, and even maybe Photoshop as well. And I really like this logo too. It's like a very nice logo. So yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. So